Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from Motormatch Chester, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
This is the Ford Fiesta EcoBoost Titanium X. It's a 2013 model and it comes with 48,500 miles on the clock from two previous owners. It comes with part service history, last carried out at 37,000 miles, and is finished in this unique burgundy colour. Taking a look now at some of your exterior features. On the front you'll find automatic halogen projector headlights helping to keep the roads lit with easy activation. You've also got these sporty 16-inch 12-spoke alloy wheels on the sides, and it does also come with the electrically adjustable and fold-in door mirrors. Into the boot now, plenty of space available here. You could easily fit a couple of smaller suitcases or 2 or 3 large ones, with the option to fold down those back seats as well. Into the rear seating in the centre you'll find a 12 volt for your rear passengers to charge up devices or insert other ones. Slight tinted rear windows, you've also got the part leather and part cloth upholstery here with ISOFIX mounting points. Making our way into the front and the door card, you get the controls to the windows and the door mirrors. And telling you a little bit more about the car, it's £0 road tax annually and can produce up to a combined 65.7 miles per gallon. Onto the steering wheel you'll find media controls such as the volume and hands-free call answering, as well as on the right you've got the speed limiter and cruise control options. Taking a look at your display, it's nice and simple, and you can also customise the centre screen there with various trip computer information. Onto the main media system now. Starting off with your radio options, you've got the AM, FM and DAB offering radio stations from all across the country, so you've got plenty of music to choose from. Does also come with plenty of your own personal media as well, which you can see on the tab. It comes with the CD player, which is just below the screen there. You've also got the aux in for music, USB connectivity, as well as Bluetooth, so you can stream your music wirelessly. It does also come with the phone connection option as well with the Bluetooth, so you can connect it to the system and answer hands-free calls that are incoming by the steering wheel controls shown earlier. Does also come with a fantastic navigation upgrade, so you can input destinations and save them in the system, and you get a nice clear map as well, so you can see exactly where you're going. Moving down now from the main system, you've got these Sony controls here, everything to jump between the different screens, control the volume and other such information. Just below you've got the climate controls as well, super simple to use. The 2 front seats are heated as well, perfect for those colder winter months. 5-speed manual gear stick just behind that, and further back you've got your 12 volt aux and USB inputs, 2 cup holders, leather wrapped handbrake and plenty more storage inside the armrest.
RAC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call now on 01244 311 404 or inquire online now. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.